Hi viewers, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. In this video, let's discuss 5, 6 and 7 problems in exercise 6.5 in progressions of 10th class mathematics. Right? So before doing these problems, viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel, those who are not subscribed yet. Thank you. Yes, let's do the problems. Yeah. See, this is the fifth question. Find the 12th term of a GP whose 8th term is 192 and the common ratio is 2. Find the 12th term of a GP whose 8th term is given 192 and common ratio is 2. Right? Common ratio is given that 2 and 8th term also given 192. We have to find the 12th term. Right? Actually, nth term formula is a into r power n minus 1 only. Here not given a. First term not given. So first we should find a, right? First term we should find. Yeah. Solution. Given common ratio r is equal to 2 and eighth term a8 is equal to how much? 192. Right, a8 means how can you write? A into r power 7 only na? A into r power 7 is equal to 192. So here r also given, a into 2 power 7 is equal to 192. So a into this is 2 power 7 is 2 power 5 is 32, 64, 128. A into 128 is equal to 192. So a is equal to 192 by 128. So which table get cancelled? See. Fourth table. 4 4s are 16. Yes, 4 8s are 32. Next 4 3s are 4 2s are. Again 16th table. 16 3s are 48. 16 2s are 32. A is equal to 3 by 2. So first term A is equal to 3 by 2 we have got. Right. Next 12th term. Now 12th term A12 is equal to A into R power A into R power 11, isn't it? So A is how much? 3 by 2. A is 3 by 2 we have got. Into R is 2 power 2. 2 only no, R is given 2 power 11. Right, that is equal to 3 into 2 power, this is 10. Here denominator 1 2 is there. So if you transfer upside, then it will become minus 1. 2 power a power m by a power n, a power m minus n. So that is your 3 into 2 power 10. 3 into 2 power 10. This is 12th term. A12 is equal to. Understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Next, sixth question. The fourth term of a geometric progression is 2 by 3 and the seventh term is 16 by 81. Find the geometric series. See, the fourth term of a geometric progression is 2 by 3. Next, and the seventh term of is 16 by 81. Then find the geometric series. Right. So, the terms linely we should find. Right? Yeah. Solution. Given that in GP fourth term A4 is equal to how much? 2 by 3. So A4 means A r cube is equal to 2 by 3. So say as equation number 1. Right. Next seventh term A7 is equal to how much? 16 by 81. So A7 means A r power 6 is equal to 16 by 81. This is equation number 2. So from this, let us find the value of r. Look here. 2 divided by 1 gives 2 divided by 1. 2 means A r power 6 by A r cube. A r power 6 by A r cube is equal to 16 by 81 by 2 by 3. See here. A get cancelled. This is r power 6 by r cube means r power 6 minus 3 is equal to 16 by 81 into it is also can be written as 3 by 2. Okay, so it is divided by, I have written as into, then it will be written as reciprocal, right? 3 in 87, 27 times get cancelled. 2 in 16, 8 times get cancelled. So that implies r cube is equal to 8 by 27. R cube is equal to 8 by 27. How can you write? Yes, 2 by 3 whole cube, isn't it? 2 by 3. 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is 27. Yeah. So here when the bases are equal, powers are also equal. Here powers are equal when the bases are also equal. Then that is r is equal to 2 by 3. So common ratio r is equal to 2 by 3 have come. Next we have to find geometric series. No, first term we should find. R is equal to 2 by 3 is substitute in equation number 1. So this is ar square, ar cube is equal to 2 by 3 only na. So a into r cube, 2 by 3 whole cube is equal to 2 by 3. So that implies a is equal to 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 whole cube. If you transfer it this side, it will become as 3 by 2 whole cube, right? So that is equal to 2 by 3 into 27 by 8. 3 in 27 how many times? Yes, 9 times. Here 2 4 times, that is equal to 9 by 4. So first term a is equal to 9 by 4. Second term is equal to ar only na. So a into a is 9 by 4 into r how much? 2 by 3. 2 times 3 times, that is equal to 3 by 2. This is the second term. Next third term is equal to a r square, that is equal to a 9 by 4 into r square means 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. See 2 2s are 4, 4 can get say 3 3s are 9, 9 get cancelled. So answer is 1. So the geometric series is 9 by 4, 3 by 2, 1. Right? Therefore the geometric series is 9 by 4, 3 by 2, 1 and so on. Understood clearly? Yes, if you want fourth term, ar cube. Fifth term is ar power 4, like that we should find. Understood clearly? Yes, wrote it down. Next, seventh question. This is the final question in this exercise and chapter also, right? Yes. If the geometric progressions 162, 54, 18 and so on, and 2 by 81, 2 by 27, 2 by 9 and so on, have their nth terms equal, find the value of n. So here two geometric progressions has given. Yes, this progression nth term and this progression nth terms are equal. Then we have to find the n, value of n we should find, right? Yes. Solution. The given GPs are, first one 162, 54, 18 and so on. Second one 2 by 18, 81, 2 by 27, 2 by 9 and so on, right? Yes, let us find here common ratio. This is A1, A2, A3. Common ratio R is equal to A2 by A1 only na? Yes, that is equal to A2. 54 by 162, that is equal to how much? Yes, 54 3s are 162, 1 by 3. Right. Now nth term an is equal to a into r power n minus 1. So that is equal to a means 162 into r is 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1. Right. In the same way here also find. Here this is a1, this is a2, a3. Right? Yes. Common ratio r is equal to a2 by a1. So this is a2 is 2 by 27 by 2 by 81. So it is also can be written as 2 by 27 into 81 by 2. Isn't it? 2 get cancelled, 27 3s are. So 3 is the common ratio. Now here, nth term, a n is equal to a into r power n minus 1 only. A is 2 by 81 into 3 power n minus 1. Here this is an is 162 into 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1. Here nth term an is 2 by 81 into 3 power n minus 1. According to the problem, both the nth terms are equal now. According to the problem, see 162 into 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1 is equal to 2 by 81 into 3 power n minus 1. Right? Here 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1 transfer into this side, and these both 2 by 81 transfer into this side. So this is 162 into 81 by 2. Right? 2 by 81 will become 81 by 2 is equal to 3 power n minus 1. Here 1 by 3 power n minus 1 will become, yes, it is also 3 power n minus 1. Why? Because here 1 by 3 whole square is there. So then 1 by 3 whole square means 1 by 9. If you transfer into this side, that will be 3 square, 9, 3 square only. Na? So in the same way, 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1, if you transfer into other side, this will become 3 power n minus 1. Right? Yes, here 2 in 162, 81 times get cancelled. So it is 3 power 4 into this is also 3 power 4 is equal to 3 power n minus 1 plus n minus 1. A power m into a power n. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n only. Na? So according to this problem, I have added these both. So 3 power 4 into 3 power 4, 3 power 8 is equal to 3 power n plus n, 2n minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Here, when the bases are equal, powers are also equal. So that implies 8 is equal to 2n minus 2. Minus 2 transfer to this side, 8 plus 2 is equal to 2n. That implies 2n is equal to 10, right? N is equal to 10 by 2, that is 5. N is equal to 5. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Okay viewers, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.